Computer programs are used by people every day. Every time you use your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, all the apps that you're using are computer programs. Even when you're watching a movie on Netflix or Amazon, or just using the software in your and the the giant screen in your Tesla, you're using programs. Computer program consists of basic instructions, and those include input. So your program will get data from somewhere, typically a file, a keyboard, network, or even your touchscreen, if you're using like a touchscreen laptop or a tablet, and it'll process and perform some kind of calculation on that data, such as multiplying two values like A times B. And then it'll produce output. The program outputs the data, typically on the screen, to a file, a database, or even a network. Programs use variables to refer to data, and a variable is pretty much like a container that holds the value of some data. Like a person's name will be stored in the variable called name, or a variable called age could be used to store a person's age. And an algorithm is a sequence of instructions for solving a problem. For example, an algorithm can be the steps for making your favorite sandwich to eat, or even the steps for calculating the distance between two GPS points. It can be as simple or as complicated as that. And programs are written using high-level programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++. High-level means that it's easy to read for humans, and it gets translated or interpreted in a way that computers can understand it.